Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to draw different beautiful hair for your fashion croquis. So as you see, I did draw a few different faces already, and now I am going to draw different hair for each of them, and I explain you how to do it. So let's get started. For the first one, I will draw a ponytail and then I write it down on top of the head. Ponytail. So just to sketch gorgeous hair, you always need to keep your hand and wrist very loose and do not be very stiff. So just feel free to draw any lines and just draw it as freehand as you can. Well, first of all, I need to find out the root. So just a little bit of top of the head, I mean a little bit lower than that. And now I need to find out how much volume I need, and I do the elastic first. So now let's just follow the shape of the head. Try to not make it very dark now. So it just start from next to ears to the hairband, and then after this the hair will just go to both sides, just like that, and we will see a few of them coming to this side of the head. That's it. The second one, I would like to draw slick bob. Let's write it down on top. Slick bob, we need to find out which side is it going to be. So we don't need this line to be very dark, we just need to know where the head starts and finish, and that's it. So let's draw the first part. Could even be on top of like cover the ear, the other side. So the shape is kind of like that. I need to show the outline first. That's it. Now we just need a few lines to make it more realistic. So if you are new on my channel, there are many other videos about drawing realistic hair. This one is a general video about how to draw hair for your fashion croquis or fashion figure. So if you want to learn it very proper and like to draw hair professionally, just go through my channel and watch my other videos as well. So we just need some more highlights in here and also on the other side. That's it. Nice. So the next one, I would like to draw Hollywood glam. I write it down. And So this type of hair is more for celebrities and people on fashion show and things. So this side I'd like it to be behind the ear. Just with a few lines you can find out the exact shape that you are looking for. And the other side would again come across the face. So we don't need this ear and this line anymore. So you don't really need to go into details. As long as the shape of the hair is shown, it's more than enough. And later on you can use your colors, your marker, color pencil, or whatever you are going to use for drawing, coloring. So these lines are good enough now. So the next one I'll do beach wave. Okay, let's write it down. Again, we need to start a little bit lower than the headline and just go free with your hand. I actually like it to be more closer to the eyes. And then the other side, same. So now we need to do the other side as well. Don't need this line anymore. That's it. Okay. This is good enough. So if you haven't watched my previous video, it was about drawing face and facial features for fashion models or your fashion figures. That video is very helpful as well, so you can learn how to draw eyes, lips and everything very easily. So you can see as well they are very tiny and like small, but they all have different face, like they all look different. So you can watch that one and I really hope you find that useful. So let's do the next one. I'm gonna do this one sleek and straight. it is really good as well because we are learning the name of the hairstyle. So we will start from here again, not from the top of the head. And let's just be very free and loose with your hands. So these lines are not needed anymore. So that's it. If you need to add some details, you can. If you don't, you can later use your colors to make it. And then next one, I would like to make this one natural cows. So with cow, that's my favorite type of hair, and you can just like think about the shape first and then just start it like that. So this is the most common natural hair, which is my favorite, and some people like to change it with braiding and things, but I really wish I had this type of hair, which I don't. Even drawing it is very like enjoyable. Just be very loose with your hand. Do not try to follow same shape, like just any direction you think the hair is flying, just try to make it. That's it. I think I'm not gonna make it more volume than this. That's more than enough, and it looks lovely. Next one, I would like to do messy bun. Messy bun is a very common hairstyle. I think I do not have enough space for it here. Need to rub it off and write it a little bit. Messy bun. Okay. So messy bun is again kind of the first part is same as ponytail, but later there is a bit different. Just go very light with your hand and wrist. Just because it's messy, try to not be very tidy when you are drawing this part. And now it is time to make a mess on top. Maybe a little one in this side, and of course some hair might be coming out from this side. These are some loose hair. that's it. Nice. And next one, I would show you how to do pixie hair. Pixie cut, sorry. Okay, so pixie cut is another hairstyle which is very common. Even now, people really use this type of hair. So it is kind of short hair, but stylish. And some flying hair as well. Wow, I think in a few minutes we did manage to draw 8 different hairstyles, which is lovely. I really hope you found it useful, guys. And if you have any suggestion for my future video, please let me know in the comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to do it now. And if you activate the bell so you don't miss my future video. Thanks for watching this one, and bye.